What's going on, everybody? I got a new podcast sponsor, and so I wanted to just do a quick unboxing of their products so you know that I know firsthand of what this looks like and what this feels like. When you get the First Defender tactical gear badge, this is for security enforcement, like a security officer. This is what it's going to look like here. It says professional grade, instant ID, can be worn on any size belt, can be worn around your neck. It comes with a 30-inch dog tag chain. $24.95. At least that's what it is now. So I'm going to go ahead and open this here. It's just that. So here's the badge. Here, if I can open this here. Alright. So that badge is not, I know some badges kind of hook into these things. This one's not going anywhere. This is in there. You can kind of see that. It's a nice dog tag chain here. So this is interesting. Look at that. So if you have a big belt, it can go in the belt and then you could Velcro over it. So it could be on your hip or something. Or you could wear it around your neck. That's nice. That's nice. It says, security enforcement officer. So that's what it looks like. It's got this, I don't know, feels like leather, very thick. It's a good Velcro. All right, so that's the Security Enforcement Officer badge and holder from First Defender Tactical Gear. You guys will hear about this more on the podcast. That's it. Thanks for taking a look.